Hello, kind regards tutor. I introduced myself. I am Yenifer Paola Duran. Today I am go to super activity for of homework for English B1. Step 3. Pronunciation activity. Talking about my tourist destination. 2 at the last 5 questions and as they were they're here. First question. Did you go this season on your last trip? What was the most incredible place for you? Yes, we did tours with my family. We started from Villavicencio to the Caribbean coast. We went to the Santa Marta, Barranquilla, Cincelejo, and Cartagena. One of the most interesting places was Cartagena. Its city is very nice and clean and the beaches are beautiful. Second question. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? The best experience I have was going to the aquarium, enjoying the dolphins, seeing the corals and all the fish that were there when we fished. What are the best things that have happened to you during your trip? Mention 2. One of the best things that happened to me during the trip was knowing the sea. The other thing I could do was share. Fourth question. What was the most expensive place you visited in your city? The most expensive of the three were the hotels, since we went during the holiday season, and at that time everything is more expensive. 5 questions. What are the worst things that have happened to you during your trip? Mention 2. The 2 worst things that happening to me during the trip were the loss of my clothes and not having a tour guide. As of the place to show us the city better. Thank you.